stunning, isn't it?
Amazing.
It looks really lovely. And lovely messages as well. Now, of course, we're on to the weather now, and it has, of course, been wet for a lot of us today, and that is helping to keep water levels high. We've got a couple of weather pictures. You can see lots of ripples in Totton, caught there by Sarah George.
And here's a pool party with a difference, thanks to Judy Shepherd in Felpham for making us laugh.
That's a good one. Well, now let's go back to Alexis in Southampton for that all-important forecast and those updates on flood warnings and alerts that are on. Over to you, Alexis.
Thank you, Jo. Yeah, let's take a look once again at those rainfall totals. Knighton on the Isle of Wight saw 90 millimetres of rainfall from 6 p.m. yesterday evening until 10 a.m. this morning. That's in a very short period of time. That's 3.5 inches of rainfall. Even for the mainland, we saw 46 millimetres at Thorney Island in Hampshire. So the satellite picture overnight tonight is showing areas of clouds starting to move in, a few clear spells developing as well. And during the early hours of the morning, we'll see showers start to develop. They'll initially be light, but then they'll start to turn heavier and more prolonged during the early hours. So through the overnight period, we'll see some areas of mist and fog develop as well where we have the clear skies. But where we have the cloud, we'll see prolonged periods of rain, which is why the Met Office have issued a rain warning from 4 a.m. tomorrow morning until midday tomorrow. Another 1.5 inches of rainfall is a possibility from areas east of Poole up to West Sussex and north to Winchester. Now, through the course of tonight, temperatures will dip away to around 8 to 11 Celsius. So tomorrow, heavy rain is possible in the morning. That will start to skirt its way north and eastwards, followed by some really sharp showers, even some rumbles of thunder, which is why that Met Office warning is in place. We could see torrential downpours, leading to once again some flooding and a high of 15 degrees, but sunny spells in between the showers. Overnight tonight, tomorrow night, in fact, we will see some showers. During the early hours of the morning, those showers will be more prolonged along the south coast, but they could move further inland. A few clear spells and some mist and fog patches and a low of around 7 to 11 Celsius. Looking ahead to Friday, the wind starts to strengthen later in the day. Showers are still a possibility, merging together to form longer spells of rain. Thunderstorms are still possible in places. So we are looking at a pretty unsettled picture on Friday with a high of around 14 to 15 Celsius. So as we look ahead to the rest of the week, including the weekend, it's pretty unsettled, rain or showers at times, thunderstorms each day and into the weekend. Temperatures are at or just above their seasonal average. The seasonal average for October is around 14 Celsius. So showers or longer spells of rain, interspersed by some sunshine, but also brisk winds. And as we head through the weekend, the winds could be strong at times, more so Friday evening and Friday night. Back to you, Jo.
Alexis, thanks very much. That's all from us this evening. We're back with our late news at 10:30. Bye for now.
Good night.